Oh, made some good progress. Thanks to my neighbor Chris. He came over and helped me start taking parts off this engine. I wanted to see what the heck if this thing is a boat anchor or if it's a running engine. And yet to be determined yet. We got the carburetor off, which is a Holley double pumper, which was right there. And we got the York air compressor off of it, which was sitting right here. And I changed out the plug wires. Got some new plug wires that I put together, and got the valve covers off. And as weird as they look pretty, the springs look clean, look like they're new, but it's been sitting in water in this or what, because a lot of rust buildup. So I think it's been sitting here without the hood on it, you know, building up with water through all the seasons of rain or what have you, because both sides of the valve train look like that. So I don't know what the valves look like inside, but I can guess that it's not looking probably too pretty inside there. I took the spank on the passenger side, 2, 4, 6, and 8. I took the plugs out, and they've seen better days, that's for sure. The cell battery, spark plugs, but it's been sitting in there probably since 84 as the tags on last tags that's on this license plate. So we'll see what I'm going to see Craig tomorrow, see what he has to say about it. Okay, bye. Well, I'm making some progress on the floors. This is behind the passenger seat. Maybe we'll get that section in. I still have to do the front section. Don't know how far that's going to carry out. Obviously, it's under a brace right there, where all that rotting is happening. So we'll see what happens there. The driver's side is a lot worse. So we'll have to see where that's going to lead to. We're making some progress again. Alright, bye. Well, this is my replacement rear deck lid. This is the one that Rod gave me as a replacement part. It turns out the bottom back edge is all rotted, and they proceed whoever worked on it before used a lot of Bondo on it, which trapped all the moisture in it. So I'm going ahead and taking a gamble and just cut off half of it, and hopefully I've done some measurements, I've done some marking on the board here to make sure I can put it back. But I'm going to put this piece in it to replace that back corner, and hopefully I can, basically as a repeat of what I did on the hood. So hopefully I can get that piece right there scabbed in a lot so it comes back to normal. It looks good and flat. So we shall proceed.